Hi everybody and welcome to Frank's 3D Shop. In this video, I assembled my new Prusa MK3S printer. You can follow along in the Prusa assembly instructions. I give you some of my tricks to make it easier for you. Another excellent resource is the online manual from Prusa. See the link below. If you have a problem on a step, read the comments for that section. They can be very handy. Part 6. LCD assembly. Same tools. And you need the parts. This one. The LCD. The card. And the screws. The CD cover, CD knob, 2 supports, CD screen, 6, yep, M310, 4 square nuts, and 1 SD card. Good. Ensure that the cables are plugged in the correct order. So this way. Then you have XP1 with 1 bar and XP2 with 2 bars, and same thing at the other end. 1 for XT1, 2 for XT2. Okay, and there is a new version with 40 degrees. This is it. The PC board can be red or blue. Mine is blue. Okay, so we prepare the LCD controller like in the which one is which. So I see two captive nuts. So this part goes on this side. Is it? Or no, on the other side because of the no. Okay. This has a notch for the SD card. So it goes here. And the nuts go on the outside. And this one goes here, I think, but it's in reverse. Well, they both have, okay, so it's in reverse. So the one without the flap goes on the left with the traps nut inside, and the other one goes in the other side with trap nuts. So trap nuts on the same side. The flap here. Yeah, that's it. Okay, press. So press the LCD controller into the cover as shown in the picture. And you have a slot here. So you take the cover. You place the LCD inside. And then you align the feet here and here. They have a slot, so they can go anywhere else. And there is a notch here, so you press in. That's it. So you press here until the board is past the notch, so it stays in place now because of the notch. Oh. They say to remove this before, but I think I can manage to. You better remove it before, then reapply it so that you protect the screen. Then use 2 screws in front here. With 2 M310 screws, secure the LCD in place. And not too much force, or you'll break the board or the plastic part or something. So again, not much force, 2 fingers, and that's it. It's self-threading. That's it. Yeah. Then you put in the nuts. Yeah, they are on the same side, so I think they would fall That's it. Check the alignment, but they are pretty much free to move, I think. Yeah. They are loose inside there, so I'm gonna keep them in place. Okay, if you didn't assemble the anti-vibration feet or the rubber feet, the LCD will be, the printer will be supported by the LCD, which is not a good thing. I think. So let's see where they go. Okay, found it. So 2 in the front, 2 in the back, about 1 or 2 centimeters from the end. So mine, put them in and you twist. That's it. Okay. Back. Locate the M310 screw hole here. Try to make this visible. So, 2 here, 2 here. Don't lose the nuts. Oh, already did. Put back the nuts. Missing one. Here it is. So you might damage the LCD if you don't put the feet. So it's done. Locate the M3 holes. Yes. Press through 4 screws. Okay. 4 screws. That's it. Place the LCD and tighten the bolts. So I'm gonna try to just by hand first thread them in so we don't lose anything. You gotta push on the nuts. That's it. Yeah. Make sure the nuts is in place or it won't thread in. Okay, then it's here. Then tighten the bolts. Again, I think with the longer one at an angle you can go faster. Same thing as everything else, not too tight. Let's try this one. Yeah, not too tight, like this. That's it. Yep. Then put in the knob like this. That's it. Cool. A fast one. Oh, and put in the card so you don't lose it. There's no click, you just push it in with the connector up. That's it.
That's it for me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Ciao, bye!